his name in.
Just put his name in, and it actually came up, but they could say.
We're in session and calls number 327356. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Jasmine Kyle Sanders. We have Jasmine Kyle Sanders, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Sanders, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Sanders, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? Okay, you think you may have to turn your volume up? Because I couldn't hear you. Okay, yeah, you must be on mute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Now, let's do this. Ms. Sanders, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Sir Judge, I swear.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Sanders?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Sanders, you're represented here by your attorney, Mr. Charles Rojas. Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Rojas, do you waive a record in Ms. Sanders' case?
We will, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Sanders, I have before me an information that alleges that on or about August 5th of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon while engaging in criminal activity. Ms. Sanders, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And to this charge, Ms. Sanders, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead guilty, Your Honor.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Sanders, I have before me a document that is titled the misdemeanor plea admonishments. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials, and the initials are on a line next to a box that is checked guilty. Did you place your initials JS on this document?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
On the next page of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Did you sign this document?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
On the next document, which is titled the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, there is a signature at the bottom of this document above the line that's titled defendant. Did you sign this document?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And there are two boxes that are checked at the top of this document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanders, did you sign a document out there that is titled discovery certification?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Now, Ms. Sanders, prior to signing and initialing these documents that I have just mentioned, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
Yes, Your Honor. No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, no objection. State's Exhibit number 1 is admitted. Mr. Rojas, you have advised and counseled Ms. Sanders. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanders, your attorney, Mr. Rojas, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Sanders, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of guilty and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Yeah, judgment. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It's a 21 days county jail. Defendant has credit for 21 days, his time served, and court costs to be taxed and retired, and also a forfeiture of the weapon.
Okay. Ms. Sanders,
Yes, Your Honor.
the state is offering that you serve 21 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you have already served 21 days. Therefore, you will be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case, Ms. Sanders, is $337, but you will not have to pay the court cost because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Now, Ms. Sanders, as part of this plea bargain agreement, you'll be forfeiting the weapon in this case. Ms. Sanders, I have before me, Ms. Sanders, did you sign a motion to forfeit the weapon?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I did.
And prior to signing that document, did your attorney go over that document with you?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And did you read and understand everything in that document?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And is everything in that document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And Ms. Sanders, I will grant the state's motion to forfeit the weapon. Now, Ms. Sanders, I also have, Ms. Sanders, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Do you think that the state's offer is fair and just?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanders, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Sanders, pursuant to the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, I will admonish you or concerning your ineligibility to possess a firearm. And I think your attorney has given you that admonishment, and I will go over this admonishment with you.
Yes, sir.
And it states, in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, the court hereby admonish you of the following. Number one, you are by entry of order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Number two, beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number three, under Texas Penal Code Section 46.013A, firearm means any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. The statutes listed below are a starting point for ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Order for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, Notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, Unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, Unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse or neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026 warning on protective orders. Now, Ms. Sanders, this will conclude your case. You can keep the written admonishments for your records. Please follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. You too. God
Thank you.
bless.
God bless you.
Thank you, Judge. You knock on the door.
Thank you. And Mr. Rojas, I think this is your only case? Okay,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Rojas, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye, Your
Okay.
Honor.
We're done. Do I give these to you to take back to court? The admonishments?
I just need. Yeah. Let me see.
Judge has to sign that order too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll stay or sit down.
Follow him.
Bye, Ross.